Go.
Hello, science class. I'm doing my sneeze project right here. And what I'm testing in this is how far do the germs in your mouth travel when you sneeze. I've tested this by putting blue dye in my mouth before I sneeze every time. And my farthest dot actually is way out here. And it's right excuse me. There. Sorry, I sniffed black pepper to make myself sneeze and it's not wearing off. Anyway, that's the farthest dot. Here we go again. I'm about to sneeze and my dad will videotape me. Dad, get over here. He's laughing. Here's my dad laughing. He thinks I'm an idiot, but that's okay.
No, it's a cool project.
Anyway, I didn't want to get myself blued up, so I put on old clothes, which is why they're actually small. So what I'm gonna do?
Easy on that.
Yeah. Just take a. You see how little that is? Just a teeny little bit of.
I don't think I need that much. That's all.
Black pepper. And then, once I sniff it, I'll take the colored water, put it into my mouth, stand right here, and under the white paper. Kind of looks like water, not really. Alright, so here we go. Plug the nostril. This is really bad.